So I'm doing an unboxing today that is totally unexpected because I have no idea where this Herbalife box came from. Apparently, it is some sort of order from January that I could have sworn I got, because I'm usually like, I know what I ordered and I know what's coming. So apparently it's some kind of order from January that completely surprised me and arrived, you know, in our mail. So we have here, like everyone that lives here has this huge like mailbox room that basically we get our packages and you type in like a digital code. And so I had a package notification late last week and I'm like, I know I didn't order anything. Like, this is very strange. And then it reminded me, because we get notifications on our phone yesterday. I'm like, oh yeah, I need to go pick up this mystery package, whatever it is. And apparently it's some order from January that apparently Herbalife has records that I did not receive, but I could have sworn I received it, because I'm, like I said, I remember what I order. And what this package is, so it's very interesting, you guys, because lately I've noticed more and more I've been getting all these surprises and all these, I guess you could say, miracles of like examples and just flowing from gratitude like this. And examples, I feel like my spirit telling me like so much more is coming, because I'm going to share with you a couple more things that happened recently. So it included Herbalife protein drink mix. So the light's kind of glaring. This is vanilla is what is in this box. And protein drink mix, you guys, just from a high level, has 15 grams of protein, packed with multivitamins and minerals, and is basically one component of what I mix in when I do shakes. Because protein drink mix plus Formula 1 equals 24 grams of protein. And some of my favorites are banana caramel, pralines and cream. So I got the protein drink mix in this surprise box. Then I got one of my favorites that I know if you've seen any of my unboxing videos, you know I talk about repeatedly, beverage mix. Adult Kool-Aid, no sugar, 15 grams of protein, add in water, boom, easy snack, easy meal, whatever you're using it for. Then I got Metagen, also one of my other favorites, helps you break down protein in your body more efficiently, is the basics of how I explain it. And basically the official explanation is digest protein into smaller peptides. So basically you take a tab when you're consuming protein, which should be every meal. Then Cell Activate. You guys, I love Cell Activate. I first noticed how like Cell Activate is super powerful in the sense of you're adding in things to your body and it's like it magnifies the impact on your body. So obviously if you're in alignment, you're doing great things to your body, like I am now consistently for 5 years. Thank you, Lord, just from so many different angles. And basically the scientific explanation is it helps regenerate antioxidant activity within the cells, hence Cell Activate, and supports normal mitochondrial energy production and protects cells against oxidative damage that accumulates during aging. So several reasons why I love it. Like I noticed when I started noticing massively when I started using this in 2013, that in combination with the shakes, in combination with making healthier choices, every time I took this, I felt like I was on like supersonic speed. So if you've played Nintendo, my brother and I used to play Nintendo a ton when we were kids. Like literally you guys legit stay up till 2, 3, 4, 5 in the morning, and my parents would yell at us because they would find us sneaking in and playing and staying up late. So it's kind of like when you're playing your Super Mario, right, or Luigi, and I forgot what it's called because I haven't played Nintendo now since I did have a Wii back in 2010 and I played some then, but I haven't played since probably like 2011 or 12. Anyway, it's like the extra juice. Like you go on supersonic speed, or I don't know if it's called Super Mario on Nintendo, like, or Super Mario. I can't remember the phrasing. But anyways, it's like that extra boost of energy when I take this and my total control. So hopefully that gives you guys some insight into some of my experiences with Herbalife now going on, wow, into the 6th year. So I've integrated it into my business since 2014, but using the products now consistently every single day since 2013 in some way, shape, or form, depending on what I'm doing and what my goals are. And comment down below, feel free to share, feel free to ask any questions. And if you want to jumpstart with a free meal plan, you can go to the link below and go to the free meal plan and register. Once you register, go to the wellness profile from the drop down. It'll lead you through custom questions. It'll lead you into and getting free meal plan, free recipes, free supplement plan, free workout plan, so tons of value. I also have a free ultimate health guide. And if you want to know more about the Herbalife opportunity, how I integrate it into my business with Fit Life Creation easily and effortlessly, then you can also message and learn more via that same link, which tells you about the business opportunity. You can also attend events in Atlanta with me and or in other locations nationwide. We're also in over 95 countries. The first event is always free for you to learn about all the different products, the testimonies, the results, and the business opportunity. So just to give you a glimpse of highlights of what I've experienced, I've lost over 55 pounds in a year and a half. From the start of using Herbalife, competing in fitness shows, drastically changing my habits, clearly. And the disclaimer, the average person loses a half a pound to a pound a week. From a business standpoint, my first year in the business with Herbalife, the business grew 25 times on Facebook alone. Let's pause for a moment of silence. You guys, it blew me away. Then, like many entrepreneurs that are not trained, don't know, like get scared, you know, haven't set up your own systems, your own way of doing a business, I got to figure out over several years how to integrate it into Fit Life Creation, how to develop consistent results, and I've consistently grown in every way as a person, and then figuring out how to combine all my passions and purpose step by step. So I'm continuously growing, building, and we'll be sharing even more results with you guys very soon on the business side. I'm super excited about so many different things happening right now. And definitely feel free to check out with that in mind. Feel free to jumpstart creating a life and a business you love with our freebies. We have freebies in 12 different themes on health, wealth, and business. You may want to jumpstart in our Creation Club Challenge, which includes 12 themes for 14 days, gives you a sneak peek into our monthly mastermind, or some of the guides or the webinars like smart social media, how to create and launch a course in a week, how to build your brand with influencers and get results may interest you as well. And every experience within our platform with Fit Life Creation, once you cross the free threshold, actually even in the free threshold, clearly this is free, I'm talking about Herbalife and talking about different tools that I use and we use. So always includes all health. We always include tips, tools, and tech, no matter what you're doing. Free experience, paid experience, online, live, always. Once you cross into a deeper relationship and creating community with us and purchase something, then we exponentially expose you to even more with the tips, the tools, and the tech. You get not only whatever course or item you're purchasing, of course, online, you also get different tools both online as well as mailed to you like Herbalife Nutrition in every experience. And if you join us live in Atlanta, in an international retreat, in a pop-up, with a partner, we have an upcoming workshop on social media and influencer marketing with MindBody. I'm super excited to be doing that with some studio owners next week. They also get, or you would also get, integration with the online platform, tools, hands-on. I am huge on hands-on because you can learn all day long, but if you don't actually implement what you're learning, well, it's like your brain being cluttered with information, like a computer that starts screaming at you that you don't have space. Like a phone that you're trying to take pictures and the phone is telling you, hey, I'm sorry, you don't have space. So I'm huge on implementation. So everything includes hands-on, you guys. So hopefully that gave you lots of insight. Feel free to explore at and create with us the Freebie library, explore our experiences, and chat soon.